Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling the Dell U4025QW monitor and its best settings for 2025. If you've just picked up this beast of a display or you're looking to optimize your current setup, you're in the right place. This 40-inch ultra-wide powerhouse is perfect for productivity, gaming, and creative work, but getting the settings just right can make all the difference. First off, let's talk brightness. For most environments, set your brightness to around 250 to 300 nits to avoid eye strain while maintaining vivid colors. If you're in a dimly lit room, drop it to 200 nits for a more comfortable viewing experience. Next, contrast is key. Aim for 70 to 80% to ensure deep blacks without washing out details, especially if you're watching movies or editing photos. Color settings are where things get exciting. Enable the sRGB mode for accurate color reproduction if you're doing design work, or switch to DCI-P3 for broader gamut coverage in video editing. Don't forget to calibrate your monitor using built-in tools or a colorimeter for the best results. Set the color temperature to 6500 K for a natural look that mimics daylight. For gamers, turn on the adaptive sync feature to eliminate screen tearing and tweak the response time to fast for smoother gameplay. If your monitor supports it, enable HDR in the settings menu to unlock stunning dynamic range, but only if your content is HDR compatible. One more tip. Adjust the stand for ergonomic viewing. Tilt it back about 5 to 10 degrees and raise it so your eyes are level with the top third of the screen. There you have it. These settings will help you get the most out of your Dell U4025QW in 2025. If you try these out, drop a comment below and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.